Hello, this is my Christmas Cosy Cottage cushion and I am tutoring this class at Ardington School of Crafts in Wantage. It's in November, and if you'd like to go to their website you can see what dates are available and book your space. It's a really nice class. It could be for a beginner if you have a small knowledge of your sewing machine. It's perfect. There's no zips. It is a decorative cushion, so everything before you is included and the infill, and you can have a lovely day at Ardington School of Crafts. Lunch is included, and it's just a really beautiful location. It is idyllic. It is my favorite place to tutor. So as you can see in the corner there, the cushion lights up, and it will be the talking point of your Christmas sofa. So I hope to see you at the class, and I look forward to seeing any other classes that you book with me.